welcome to my channel and welcome to kind of a haul that I have from Picket Studios. I love their paper glaze and they were having an end of the year sale with some grab boxes, so I thought why not. And since I've been running low on some enamel dots and I've been starting to get into more, I like all those little bits and I've never thought of doing pearls and things. Been watching a lot of City Scrapper. But they have the flat-backed pearls and gems. So I grabbed some. Just a few to get my stash going. But I love their paper glaze. That's my favorite. So I went and grabbed, they have a luxe and a velvet now. So I grabbed this velvet. What is this one? Winter Snowfall. So it's like slightly shimmery, but it's white. So I was super excited for that because I have texture paste and I have like a glittery one, but this one's just slightly shimmery. And then they have this is labeled velvet, but I'm pretty sure it was luxe on my sheet. But this is Aztec sunflowers, so it has a bunch of glitter in it. I got that one, and then I got coffee beans, so it's a brown, but it's glittery. I thought that would be fun. And then I wanted to try out their paper glitz. I've heard it's kind of runny, and it looks a lot more runny, even in like their pictures and everything, but I wanted to try it out. So I grabbed lime Christmas green, so a very limey green, autumn persimmon, because that color is just gorgeous, and then a gold. And this one's called Falls Gold, so it's got a bunch of green glitters and stuff in it, so I figured we'd play with those, and you'll be seeing those on some upcoming things. Let me show you so I got these for free. They put these in the box with my order, which is super fun. This is Sequin Mix Jewel of the Nile, which is super fun. It's a lot of purples and it's gorgeous, and I love these containers that they have these in. But I got a bunch of gems and pearls. So this gem mix is called Polar Lights. It's a bunch of blues and like purplies, and then some reds and some golds thrown in there. It's just, and some black. It's just fun. You see that? This one is called Sands of Time. So it's a bunch of different golds mixed together, and I thought these would just be a good mix to dot around like sequins. And I like that they're flat backed, so that means I can glue them down. This one is Autumn Leaves because I can't resist. And these are all gems, and I don't have a lot of gems. I think I've actually used all the gems I've ever had, so I figured this would be good. Greens and reds and oranges and yellows and like just fall colors. Love that. And then I have some pearls. So these ones are these are navy blue and charcoal gray. So they are in navy blue and charcoal gray undertones. And they're pearls in different sizes. Nothing too huge, which is super fun. So you can really tuck them in a lot of places. This one is pale blue and soft copper, which, oh my God. And then I love this one. This one reminded me of snow so much. This one is bright blue and soft violet. And they have so many different varieties. There's some that are in their clearance section right now, as well as a bunch of their stamps and dies. And I think that is, so I grabbed the stamp and die box and then the stencil box. And then they sent, which was super fun, they send you a handmade card. So I got this one, Let's Unplug Together, super cute. Spiked Ocean Water, I'm guessing is the cardstock. And then they signed it, which is awesome. But I love this. This is super cute. I'm totally going to send it to a friend. But these are the stamps I got with dies. And I actually didn't get that many dies. I was actually kind of surprised. I only got 2 stamp and die sets. But because I remember reading it said, like, if we throw a stamp in the stamp grab box and it has a die set, the die set will come with it. But then there was a separate just stamp box. So I decided to do the stamp and die box because I thought, let's take a chance and get the ones, see if they have ones that'll fit in my little bureau. And if they don't, then I guess I'll just have to get a different die cutting machine. But I got, this one is BFF Ballerina Friends. And my nieces just started dance. So I'm excited to use those. I'm going to make these for whenever her a card whenever she has a thing, and I can totally use these on her scrapbook pages. I was super excited to see that I got the all wired stamp that they used on this card. So that was kind of fun. I don't know if they planned that. This one is called Picket Wherever You Go. And it's like this, we've been thinking of you. You bring life wherever you go. Welcome. It's like an entryway welcome here type stamp. It's interesting. I don't do a lot of this kind of stamping, so I'm tempted, you know? This one I can see myself using a lot. This is the Baker's Twine stamp. So it looks like Baker's Twine around things. Love that. This one came with a die. This is Vintage Apple, which is super fun. We may not have it all together, but together we have it all. Enjoy life, thanks. And that one came with a die. And, ooh, I don't know if that'll fit in my... Nope. It's not going to fit. Shoot. I'm going to have to get a new die cutting machine, but that's okay. And then I got Fancy Sentiments, which is super... This is more Fancy Sentiments. So it's like, my dear friend, happy day, thinking of you, welcome home, just because, and I love you. And it's script, and then it came with dies. So these I love, and I need to start making cards. I do like making cards. Because it's a different platform, I feel like it takes me longer. So I'm hoping the more I do it, the faster I become. And I need to remember that it doesn't have to be fast. And then I grabbed their stencil box. So I got... this one. Does it have the names on here? This one's called Silent Night, so it's candles. This one's Pineapple Collage. This one, I don't know if it broke or if it's still supposed to be 2 pieces. This one's called Scrolls. But I feel like it's supposed to be 2 pieces. Yes, because you can't fit this one inside this one. I don't think. Oh, maybe you can. Oh, it is. Okay. So it is just supposed to be, yeah, 2 pieces. Well, hot diggity dog. Yeah, because if these were to be together, that wouldn't make sense. So you can do like a background outline. So that's kind of fun. I just have never seen one that's 2 pieces like that with the frame and the... I like it. This one's super fun. This one is Center Flower Stencil. I've got a lot of good ones. This one looks like lace. It's called Brocade. Yeah, Brocade lace. This one's super fun too. Fireburst. Yeah. This one's a nice knots scale. Knots scales. I love these. I like these shape ones. This one's Flourish Circle, and this one is Leaves and Flowers. I've always wanted to try one of these, and you just do the opposite or whatever, or you do the negative. And then this last one, Moroccan Tiles. So yeah. I don't believe they have any of the boxes left. I'm assuming they sold out. I hopped on it pretty fast, but they do have some of these stamps and stencils and some really good stuff in their clearance section right now, as well as new releases and all that good stuff. So yes, the Center Flower Center stencils in their clearance section, and so is the apple and a bunch of other good ones. So you should go check it out if you want some. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I enabled you. I'm sorry if I did at the same time. Okay. I love you. I appreciate you. We'll see you next time. Bye.